Hey everyone, Hamad Nawaz here, and today I'm going to show you how to get custom fonts for Windows 10 and other operating systems such as 8, 8 and 7 and also XP. You can use these fonts in Photoshop and other video editing and photo editing programs. So all you have to do is go to the link in the description, and here as you can see there's a lot of fonts added. These fonts are recently added as you can see right there. So let's say I want a gaming font, so as you can see over here there is a search feature. Type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in gaming, and as you can see there is a font related to gaming, but that's only one. So let's type in game. There, as you can see, so many fonts over here. So let's say I want this one. Click on it, and there as you can see on the top right corner there's a download button. All you have to do is hit the download button, save it wherever you want. You can also donate to the author if you want. So after the font has been downloaded, all you have to do is open it up. You need WinRAR for this, by the way. Just hit close once it opens up, and then open up the font file. There as you can see all you have to do is hit install. So as you can see right there, I think it's installed right now. Now you can use these fonts in Photoshop and other video editing softwares. So that's how you get a custom font. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe.